My name is David Scopp, and I'm an attorney at Harris Personal Injury Lawyers. We became involved in this case a couple of weeks after the dog bite when our client, who was 4 years old at the time, came into the office with his parents. And I could see right away how sweet this boy was and how much his parents loved him, but also just how much this had affected them. And there was a lot of anxiety at the time because they knew that the boy's face would never be the same and that he'd need a lot more treatment going forward. Compounding the situation, there was some difficult family dynamics because the owner of the dog was the boy's great uncle. So they were worried about how this would affect the family and how there'd be discord going forward. We had a situation where the medical bills were relatively low in comparison to how much the boy's life had been permanently altered. We needed to give life to the list of injuries that the boy had on his face. Medical terms like lacerations and avulsions extending over the left lower eyelid, left medial cheek, right mandibular nerve damage causing asymmetric smile, avulsion and displaced laterally, etc., etc. Just listing those, again, can bore the viewer, but when you have a visual, it really makes you connect with the boy. Second, we needed to show, again, how this had truly changed the trajectory of the boy's life. At every stage, the facial scars and irregular smile will affect how he feels about himself. His scars and abnormal smile will affect his confidence in forming relationships at this crucial stage of development, and it will continue through every stage of his life. His feelings will be hurt when kids tease him numerous times throughout his school years, the next 14 years. So it'll affect his confidence as he pursues his life, his education, his career, and we wanted to find a way to demonstrate this visually, and that's where DK Global came in. We got in touch with DK Global in preparation for mediation. Before we got involved, the insurance company offered the family $10,000. The pre-litigation offer that we got was $175,000. And just after mediation, we were able to get the family $725,000, which would allow the boy to get the treatment he needs going forward and to reduce the impact that this would have on his life. Working with DK Global was wonderful from the beginning. I could just really tell how much everyone I spoke to over there loved their job. I could tell they really wanted the best outcome for my client, and everyone put everything they had into every step.